In Peru, more than 65 people have been killed by a new round of severe flooding and mudslides.
Wow.
Rushing waters and mudslides caused by unusually high ocean temperatures left a path of destruction, leaving emergency crews scrambling to get civilians to safety. The conditions also toppled homes and swept away cars and trucks. There have been at least 62 weather-related deaths in the country since January. Peru is facing accusations that it was unprepared to deal with the floods. Its president says that no one could have predicted these kinds of conditions.